Good evening, everybody. It is your boy, Mr. Toy Box, and we've got an awesome video today. If you're a fan of Batman, a fan of RC cars, you're definitely going to want to watch this one. This is not your regular Batman Mattel mobile, Batmobile that they came out with several months back that you could pick up for 150 bucks. This is what they call the adult version. And it was 500 bucks. Is it worth 500 bucks? You guys be the judge and tell me what you think in the comments. So I've already really taken it out of the box. It actually comes with its own display stand, which is badass. I'm getting ready to turn it on for you now. The way this unit works, it comes with two charging cables, okay? One of them plugs into the back of the base, and after you've charged the vehicle, you plug that into the car itself, and essentially the battery in the car will power on the base. When you want to charge the car, you use the other cord and you plug that into just your standard cell phone block. It doesn't come with that, but just grab any of those 5 volt 1 amp chargers and you're good to go. When you're charging the car, the lights will actually flash, the headlights. And when they stop flashing and they're steady, then the car is fully charged. So that's how that works. So setting it up is real simple. As far as setting it on the stand, it actually has little notches that you can see right here. And they actually go inside the A-arms. The A-arms have a little cutout, and that's how that works. So, but without further ado, let's go ahead and turn everything on here. This is kind of the demo mode, but you're going to be able to get the gist of it. And after we do the demo mode, we're going to take it for a quick spin. All right, so here we go.
I fight for justice. I'm Batman.
Now, it hadn't started working yet. Maybe it'll work. It probably doesn't work in demo mode. I'm not sure. But you actually add a little bit of water right into that little rubber container.
I'm vengeance.
And it's supposed to have vapors that come out. So we'll see what happens when we run it. But as far as animatronics, this does have full animatronics for the Batman character. So as you can tell, his arm does move when you steer. And then, of course, when you go to reverse, it pulls the shifter backwards. When you go forward, it pushes the shifter backwards. So that's pretty awesome. That's something you don't really see every day in any kind of RC car, whether it's hobby grade or toy grade. Now, I will say, Mattel had a deal with the Cybertruck, very similar. They had 2 different units. One was the adult version like this, which you can't find anymore. They were very expensive. That was a hobby grade one. It was in partnership with Charisma RC, which is a hobby grade manufacturer. I thought this was going to be the same thing. It is actually going to be, really a hybrid. It's kind of toy grade slash, I guess you could say, hobby grade. Now, Mattel, they call it a movie prop vehicle, and that's why it has the stand. A lot of these details were done by hand on the body, so there's a lot of, really, really good detail with this unit. But, one thing I don't like about it, the battery is built in. And, being an RC guy, we all know, you're not supposed to leave your lipos in the car. And you're certainly, even if you have it powered off, you don't want to leave it in there with a full charge. You're supposed to put it in storage mode. Well, in the manual, they actually do tell you to leave it fully charged if you're going to plan on storing it. So, I thought that was a little bit odd, but, I might shoot them an email and kind of get some more details on that. Battery is not removable. I thought that was a little bit odd as well. You basically have to tear the whole car down. But, you know, that's some of the negatives. But this car was really designed to be a shelf queen. I mean, a shelf queen you could run from time to time. It is a collector's item without a doubt. And I think it's awesome. You know, I'm very, very happy with it. And look forward to seeing how it runs here. And the stand, to me, is a bonus. It's a great way to display it. And if you want to take it for a spin, just turn it on, take it off the stand, and you can show all your friends and, you know, make everybody jealous. So anyway, hope you like it. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick spin. So there you go, guys. Now, again, this is really, to me, more of a shelf queen. It really is. Top speed is about 10 miles an hour, so it's not the fastest by any means. You know, again, this was made to really be thrown on the shelf and shown off from time to time.
I'm vengeance.
The only thing I don't like is the sound part, as far as you know, the voice always repeating the same thing. Now, you can turn it off. You tap the button twice, and it's supposed to turn the sound off, but it might just turn the voice off. It's my first time running it. Now the vapor, for some reason, I'm not seeing any vapor. So I'll have to look into that and see if we can figure that out on the next video. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna throw it back up on the stand and see if we can get some vapor real quick. All right, there's that vapor. Holy shit. That's pretty awesome. That's wicked. That's awesome. So yeah, you control the vapor with the actual remote control right there. So tap it, comes on. There we go. Let's turn the lights out real quick. That's pretty awesome. All right, now we're going to check it out with the stand turned on. All right, so I'm glad we was able to get that vapor to work. Pretty much the only other thing I'm going to show you guys super quick. It does come with this little funnel. And that's how you put the vapor in. I'm not going to lift it up here, but you just lift that up and there's a little hole. Put the water in it. As far as the manual goes, not a whole lot to it. Very straightforward, easy to set up. So, you know, you can find one of these on eBay and you don't mind spending the money. It's definitely something that you're going to be very, very happy with. So I'd make sure, if this is something you're looking for to add to your collection, jump on eBay and get these quick, because you know I don't. Once they sell out on eBay, it's going to be like that Cybertruck. You're pretty much just not going to be able to buy one. So we can turn this off here. All right. Well, I'm very pleased with it. Again, this is totally a collector's item. It's not the greatest driving vehicle, but you know, it's still very, very cool, and I'm very glad that I picked it up. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth 500 bucks? You know, that's something I don't know. I am kind of up in the air on that. I think it's you know, that's a tough one, man. So I don't have any regrets buying it, but it's definitely it's up there for sure for a toy grade. And again, it's really it isn't fair to call this a toy grade, but it's also not a hobby grade neither. So it's kind of a very high end, I guess you could say, toy grade, custom toy grade at that. So, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Got a lot more videos coming up. I was on a little hiatus for about 4 years, so make sure you subscribe because we've got a lot of content coming. Thanks again for watching. Have a good night.